Hello students, good morning. Our today's article is significant figures. So first of all, we must know the rules to determine the significant figures. Now let us discuss one by one. So our first rule to find the significant number is, see how many significant figures are present in the given numbers. We can decide using some rules. There are 5 rules to decide the significant numbers of given numbers. Now see, suppose first rule is all non-zero digits are significant. So this is our first rule, that is all non-zero digits are significant. Non-zero digits means what? जे डिजिट झिरो नाही आहे, जे डिजिट झिरो नाही आहे त्यांना आपण नॉन झिरो डिजिट्स म्हणतो. तर जेवढे काही नॉन झिरो डिजिट्स आहेत ते सगळे काय आहेत, सिग्निफिकंट आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, पहिले एक्झाम्पल घेऊ आपण 1717. आता हा जो नंबर आहे 17, या नंबर मध्ये तुम्हाला काय मेजर करायचे आहेत, काय काउंट करायचे आहेत? डिजिट्स. सो हाऊ मेनी डिजिट्स आर हियर? 2, 1 and 7. 1 and 7. So 2 digits are here. So therefore the significant figure is 2. Second example, suppose 4327. So in this given number, how many digits? So you have to count that digits, first, second, third and fourth. So 4 digits are here. So therefore significant figure is 4. Means non-zero digits. So how many non-zero digits are there? They are called as significant. Suppose third example is 31475321. So how many digits are present in this given number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So just you have to count the digits in the given numbers and write down that total digits. So total digits are here 8. So 8 is the significant figures. So this is the first rule, and in this first rule all non-zero digits are significant. Now the second rule to find the significant numbers from given numbers. So significant figures, to decide significant figures, second rule is also important. That is, the zeros occurring between two non-zero digits. Two non-zero digits are significant. According to the second rule is zeros, but that zeros must be in between two non-zero digits. So here two non-zero digits are the most important. Means in example 1, so if we consider our number is 101, this is the first example. So 101, 101. So this is our given number. So how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits are here, therefore its significant figure is 3. You have to count this 0 as a significant number. Why this 0 is called a significant number? Because our second rule tells us the zeros occurring between. Occurring between means what? The 0 must be present in between two non-zero digits. So here which are two non-zero digits? On the left side there is 1 and on the right side there is also 1. So in between this 1 and 1 there is a 0. So therefore you have to count that 0 is a significant figure. So therefore including this 0, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Therefore the significant figure is 3. Now second example is, suppose 2014, 2014. So 2014, so how many digits are there? 2, 1 and 4. 3 digits are here. But 0 is there. 0 is present in between 2 and 1. So 2 is non-zero digits. 1 is also non-zero digits. So therefore this 0 must be significant figures. So how many significant figures are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose third example, like 102, 007, 089. So in this given number, how many significant figures are there? See, this 0 is present in between 1 and 2, therefore this 0 is significant figures. There are two zeros after 2, that is these two zeros are present in between 2 and 7. Another 0 is there which is present in between 7 and 8. So total zeros are significant figures. So therefore total significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 6, 9. So how many digits are there, or how what is the significant figures of the given number? It is 9. Means second rule tells us whatever may be the zeros are there, that zeros must be in between two non-zero digits. So at that time these zeros are called as significant figures. Okay, so these are the two rules, and using these two rules we can decide the significant numbers. Now let us go towards the third rule. Third rule also important to find the significant figures. So our third rule is the zeros on the left of the number. Third rule is the zeros on the left side of number given number left side of given number are not significant, are not significant. आता in third rule the position of zeros is there. What is the position of zeros? Whatever may be the zeros which are present on the left side of the given number, so that zeros never count as a significant figures. So they are not significant figures. For example, suppose 0.098. So this is the given number 0.098. So how many significant figures are there? Just you have to count non-zero digits 1 and 2. Okay, because these zeros they are present. So these zeros are present on the left side. So this is left side of the zeros on the left side of given numbers. गिवन नंबरच्या लेफ्ट साइडला जर झिरो असतील तर ते झिरोज सिग्निफिकंट फिगर्स म्हणून काउंट करायचे नाहीत. कितीही झिरो असू द्या 1 2 3 4 5. So that zeros are not significant figures. Therefore 1 and 2, only 2, that is the significant figures. So this is the two significant figure. Second example, 0.0003. So how many significant figures in this given number? 0.0003. So how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. So these 3 zeros are present on the left side of the given number. So these zero on the left side of the number, therefore they are not significant figures. Using the third rule, our third rule, that is the zeros on the left side of given number are not significant. They are not significant because they are present on the left side of the number. नंबरच्या लेफ्ट साइडला असलेले झिरो सिग्निफिकंट फिगर्स कन्सिडर करायचे नाहीत. मग सिग्निफिकंट फिगर्स किती आहेत या नंबर मध्ये? 3 म्हणजे काय? 1 digit. So therefore how many digits are there? Only 1. So you should write here 1, that is the significant figures. So let us consider third rule, that third example. Suppose 0.0000037849. Suppose this number is given to us. So first of all, concentrate on the zeros. What is the position of zeros? So how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These 7 zeros, they are present on the left side. So therefore all the zeros are never significant figures. Therefore remaining non-zero digits, just you have to count 1 2 3 4 5. So significant figure is 5. So in this way, these 3 rules are very important to decide significant figures. Okay, so just you have to remember these 3 rules, and remaining 2 rules we will see in our next videos. Okay, thanks.